Wood versus vinyl versus fiberglass. What is the best material for your window? Which one actually holds up? Let's talk about that. Wood is a beautiful product, more expensive product, but it also requires more maintenance. The new style of windows that they make that are wood-based usually have a cladding on the exterior, whether it's going to be a vinyl cladding or an aluminum cladding. But they have something on the exterior of the window to help protect it against the elements. On the inside, it will be the naturalized wood. What usually tends to happen is whenever you have these beautiful wood windows and you spend buku bucks on them, you're going to have a little more maintenance, more upkeep on these style of windows. The reason for that is because it is a natural material, whether it's paint or a stain, whatever it is that the manufacturer requires you to do to make sure that the warranty stays good or that your windows last longer, you're gonna have to do on your own. So while it's more expensive and it's really good looking, there is more maintenance and upkeep to it. And you don't get quite the warranty. You're not gonna get the same kind of warranties you're gonna get with a fiberglass or a vinyl window. So that's kind of the downside to it. When it comes to fiberglass windows, fiberglass is going to be that middle of the road, somebody who wants to paint the windows inside and out and they love the rigidity of the frames, they go with a fiberglass style of window. Typically get lifetime warranties. Maybe some not so much, but typically you'll get a lifetime warranty. And again, you're going to pay a higher dollar amount. There's a premium for having that ability and that material. And then you have your vinyl windows. So the vinyl windows, you have these different grades of vinyl. So these vinyl windows that you get that are really cheap, intro level, construction grade, hell, even lower than construction grade. So they want to sell you this vinyl window that will meet Title 24 compliance. It will, reject some of the heat, makes it better than a single piece of glass if that's what you're upgrading from. But you're talking about materials that are not going to hold up against the sunshine versus, say, a very high grade vinyl window, right? It's gonna cost you more money, but you get what you pay for, right? Do it once, not twice or 3 times, because that would be aggravating and very expensive. When you're lining these windows up against each other, it's kind of hard to do so. It depends on what style of house you have as to what style of window you really want inside the home. If you just have a normal house like I have, and you wanted to get away from aluminum single pane windows or even old vinyl windows, the technology then isn't the same as what the technology is now for a lot of manufacturers. These windows that we're putting in are going to last a lifetime, a whole lot longer than anything that they already had, which leads to your fiberglass windows. And then you have the wood. You have options, and all of these windows can hold up for a long time. It's just, what grade do you get? If you go with the cheapest of anything, it's not gonna hold up, okay? If you go with the more higher priced, it's gonna last you a whole lot longer. So when you're pricing out windows and you have different options, or you already dead set on a style of window, now you're just looking for the company to have them installed, make sure you do your homework and find out how these windows are holding up for maybe customers already. Look at the websites of the manufacturers, things like that. Okay guys, well I hope this video helps. Make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.